Right, good afternoon guys, Jerry again, Good at Bushcraft. I'm back out again in a secret location, about to head up to another secret location. We're out with the lads, Shauno, Dave Grizzly D, Mr. Mark Taylor Outdoors, and yeah, it's no rain, it's awesome weather, really cold but no rain, so it's going to be good. We're going to have a beer here, maybe 2 beers here, have a epic hike up and then just chill out, relax, get by that nice campfire, some nice food. That's the plan, that's what's happening.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Good
See you
times.
up there. Right, we're getting ready for the off. Sean might regret putting that layer on under his combat jacket.
I'm good.
It's going to be a warm walk up. It's freezing cold, so it could do with warming up, to be honest.
It's the wind.
Yeah.
It's the wind that's doing
Nice and sunny.
Got Dave down there. He's just getting his bag on. Let's go.
Bag on.
You better not got bag on.
Got a right bag on.
Breather. Ready for it. We're 2/3 of way up. It's got this little bit. Yeah, dive for a minute. Yeah, we had a couple in pub, but the main party don't start till that fire's lit. Potentially we'll find out if we can light it. And we've arrived. I am seriously out of shape. That walk does not get any easier. But I think my Bergen's probably weighing about 25 kilogram at least, which is silly really, but yeah. Minus the beer, it'd be all right. But yeah, it's all good. We're up here now, the lads are setting up. I'll take you around, show them all the setups when we're sorted. But yeah, just took on a bit of water, rehydrate, relax a minute, and pick a nice spot for the hammock. Shauno's gone full-blown DD. He's into it now, bless him. DD, hammock, tarp, underquilt. Job lot. Hey. I'll show you how to get this set up. Let's get mine up and all.
Exciting, isn't it? Getting in the first time and
All right.
rolling out. And
Trying out his new hammock. So he could budge back even further if you, because Sean's about 15 foot, so he's be all good. Just use his DD triggers. We're going to mod his hammock with the PNS system, the Prep Nomad system at some point, but he's just using his webbing strap this side. And we just use the trigger that side just for a bit further.
Invisible hammock.
Yeah. Yeah, I've gone with an invisible hammock, to be honest. What do you reckon to it?
Very good.
Right.
Covert. I best get mine up. My hammock's up. Sean's hammock's up.
Oh yes.
You'll enjoy that sleep, mate, tonight. I mean, the eight pint of beer will probably help you sleep a bit as well, but it's all good, man.
It's a bit rough at the moment, but
Just need to sort all me,
it's an 8 pint of beer and you wake up sleeping underneath it.
sort all my crap out, and we're well away. Got the old school army jumper, the woolly pulley, for later. Great, let's get sorted. So to sit on, I've just got a little cheap 99p Team U Chinese foam sit mat. Mr. Grizzly D, however, is in the absolute lap of luxury. Look at this, a nice folding chair. And wait, what the hell?
What is going on?
So we don't get a cold ass, is insulated now. Holy smokes. Oh, fair play, man, I'm jealous. Right, that's home for the evening. As always, DD 3x3, frontline hammock, DD underquilt, a nice little ground sheet there. And Sean in the background, same setup, apart from he's got a multicam underquilt, but apart from that, identical. Down here, Mr. Mocktail Outdoors, there he is.
Collection.
He's in the DD 4.5 by 3. That is the tarp you want in winter if it starts raining. Plenty of room to...
Group shelter.
Yeah, group shelter. Yeah, literally. And then, this is a setup and a half. I love this. So Dave, Grizzly D Outdoors, he's in the... appears to be, I'm not sure what brand that is. Alpkit. Alpkit Elan Hoop Bivvy. Yeah, similar to mine that. Obviously, I think they're in fact pretty much identical. Awesome bits of kit. And our favourite setup of mine, 2 basher poles and a nice camo tarp. Oh, it's poncho, even better. It's a cracking setup this, Dave, I like it. And he's got his horn, he's always got his horn out. Perfect. Recently picked up this bit of kit from Pathfinder. It's a copy of like the old officer's flask, the M34 officer's flask, I think. Well, obviously they've made it in stainless. Yeah, really cool that. First time using it. Just got water in it, obviously. But yeah, I like this little bit of webbing strap to keep it all together. Pretty cool. Good to be back up here. Only sort of like a month ago when I was last up here, but yeah, it's always good to be here. Let's go and have a look at the view before it goes dark. I think we've got an hour of light left. All right. So I'm going to light the fire now. My little fire kit that I made out of an old World War II percussion caps tin. Just the basics. Some tinder card, a lighter, fire steel, some jute twine, some matches. Nice little compact fire kit. That's the first time Dave's come camping with. He's absolutely blowing us out of the water here. He's got a better chair, a badass fire kit he's just shown me, little table, and then this, he's raised the game here, look, so we're not struggling for the live stream. He's put a proper stand. Oh, Dave, you're impressing me more and more by the minute, mate.
What is going on?
Even lit. Oh, you can come again, you can. Right, the fire is lit. Just getting it nice and established now. Get some hot coals ready for cooking. Just drying a bit of this this wood out around outside. It's a tiny bit green. And we've got all this here to process down. Should keep us going.
All deadfall as well.
Yeah, you can tell we've had some epic winds, haven't we? So yeah,
loads of it. There's still plenty.
yeah. I'm just saying, still best view in Derbyshire. Still best view in England. I'm biased though.
There's people down there.
The Mandem.
The Mandem. Right, we've got a lot of good food tonight. So we've got some ribs here. What Sean's missus Sarah's kindly prepared for us, the pre-cooked. We're just going to warm them back up. Dave's bought literally half a cow. Yeah, and
Steaks off a mammoth.
yeah, they're big. And then we've got some venison, is it, Shona?
Venison burgers.
Some sausage, some bacon, all sorts.
Eating like kings.
We are, man. There we go, guys, the beer tree. And the rubbish bag. Some might say that's excessive. There's 4 of us. We probably won't drink it all, but there's nothing worse than being on a...
Says?
Yeah.
We always
Challenge
drink it all.
accepted.
Yeah, there's nothing worse than being on a camp and running out of beer. So it was worth the wait carrying it up, even though it nearly destroyed me getting up that last steep cliff. But it's all good.
I think we brought half the Hobgoblin Brewery.
Yeah,
Winchwood Brewery.
good to be out there, boys.
Oh yeah.
Always.
Go find a place.
Yes. There we go, some nice slow cooked ribs.
Cheers, babe.
Amazing.
No problem, sweetness. Yeah, thank you, sir. Just falls off the bone. Good name for a punk band. Right, so we're nicely cooking some nice venison burgers. Looking good. Sean, will you just turn the air fryer on, please, mate? Flame grilled. That's a cracking bit of kit, that is, for getting fire going in the morning. Some of these old fire bellows things, the pipe thing.
Literally swelled up.
Let's go, boys.
Go on.
Venison burgers. Oh, and he's even got a bit of cheese
Millions
for us.
of cheeses.
Nice, we're eating well tonight.
Jesus.
Cheese slices.
Get it on. Yeah, proper big that. Right, guys. It is officially dark. I'm so glad when we get the light nights back. Everything seems a bit rushed sometimes, you know, to try and get up here, get set up, get the firewood sorted when it's winter. But yeah, we're fed, we had a few beers. We'll stoke that fire right up soon, and we're going to do a live stream over on YouTube. To 8:30. If you're watching this video back, depending on how the live stream goes, it might still be available or it might not be.
Chaos symbols.
So Dave's brought a beer up. Peanut butter and jelly stout. Well, check that, you can see it, 9.2%.
Wow, bro.
That'll put hairs on your chest, mate.
Done in 10 minutes, mate.
Yeah, no messing.
That's his bowels gone in.
Yeah. We'll hear a bit more and it'll be like, woohoo!
Emptied in 10 seconds.
It's like treacle.
I bet it's like, let's have a look at colour. Yeah, it is as well. What about them for steaks, guys? Literally half a cow. Mr. Dave sorted us out for us.
Now we're going.
Yeah, not done a lot of filming tonight, to be honest, but we've just done a big ass YouTube live stream.
You've done more than me,
It
dude.
was good.
It was good, we really enjoyed it. Sean was there grafting away, sorting the wood for us. Yeah, we're just chilling, just enjoying it, guys. That's what it's about. And we're going to enjoy these steaks shortly. Right, there's a steak. Nice and juicy. Dave, that is proper top-notch steak. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Best part of rump, isn't it?
Yeah.
Rump steak.
I probably slightly overcooked it, but
Oh,
I wasn't used to the temperature controls on the embers.
that is not overcooked.
Ah, beautiful. Hey, don't get better than this, boys. Eating nice steak, drinking beer in the woods with the lads, with our reputations. Oh well.
Suits you, sir.
Suit you, sir.
Beat rack pack meal.
Yeah, it beats the rat, mate. Look at that. Who's drinking the pool of blood at the bottom? Who's drinking that at the end? Yeah, it's all good.
Tastes badass. Ain't. I'm good.
Not good, man.
You might as well bring a hobgoblin over. I'm in it. I'm halfway through, but that's enough, isn't it, to get another one?
Bring the hobgoblin over,
Bring the hobgoblin over.
wench.
Just bring one, I don't know. Bring the alcohol.
I'll tell you what, boys. I'm enjoying tonight. This is good. Mark, you're looking absolutely incredible with that background there behind you.
Or at least for Haley's sake, I maybe made some mistakes, but I'm only human. I'm man enough to face him today. What I did was stupid, no doubt it was dumb. But the smartest shit I did was take the bullets out of that gun, cause I'd have killed him. Shit, I would've shot him in the boat. This is my life. I'd like to welcome y'all to the Eminem show. I'm sorry, Mom.
No. Oh, mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has the devil put aside for me. Ready? Headbanging. Oh, that's the head torch. Yeah, man, that's the bit. That's fucking strong.
you think you can? What they say, who cares if one more light goes out? In the sky of a million stars, it flickers, flickers. Who cares when someone's time runs out? If the moment is all we are, or quicker, quicker. Who cares if one more light goes out? Well, I do.
And good morning, guys. Check that for a view. Just thought I'd come along the cliff tops that have been cleared out over the last few years. I don't normally come this far across. It's a bit of a stroll while the rest of the lads are waking up. It was a good night last night. Right, guys, some nice classic kit. Yeah, we're going to get a couple of hexie stoves out, a couple of mess tins, and we're going to fry up some bacon and sausages. That's the plan. So we've got some very, very vintage hexie, original, and some good old Yeoman's Army Stores hexie tablets. 2 stoves, a couple of mess tins. Okay then, guys, that is it for another one. We're all fed now, we've just had a nice brew as well, but it's time to get back home. Epic night with the lads as always up here. Loved every minute. Great to have Grizzly D up here as well for the first time. He's over there, bless him. Good camp, Dave, wasn't it? It was a good, man.
Awesome.
But yeah, time to head back down to the village and head back to reality. Should have another video coming very soon, hopefully. Well, lots of videos. Back in the swing of things. So I'll leave you with a few pictures from the night. Yeah, thanks for liking, subscribing, commenting, all the good stuff. We'll see you very soon.